20 amazing facts about snow. Italian city holds the record for most snow in a single day. You might think some Arctic landscape would be the biggest snow-getter in the world, but in fact the city to receive the greatest volume of snow in a single day was in Italy. The village of Capricotta, about 136 miles east of Rome, received 100.8 inches or 256 centimeters of snow on March 5, 2015. That would be maintaining a rate of around 5 inches or 13 centimeters of snow per hour for 18 hours. The slow-moving storm responsible for this massive dump of snow in the Italian high country also generated a massive windstorm that downed trees in Tuscany, as well as other parts of Italy, Bosnia, and Croatia. Snow occasionally rolls itself. Everyone loves a good snowball fight, but snow can sometimes create massive snowballs on its own. Through a rare phenomenon called snow rollers, the wind blows a bunch of snow along the ground, which gets larger and accumulates more material as it goes, taking on a cylindrical shape and hollow, rather than the circular one we might expect. Sometimes these can take the form of snow donuts as the outer layers are blown away, giving the appearance of a donut. Snow on Mars. According to NASA's scientific simulations, corroborated by remote robots on the planet's surface, during the summer in the north of Mars there may well be sudden violent snowstorms. We know there are clouds and subsurface ice on Mars, so snow is certainly plausible. Scientists also detected a cloud of carbon dioxide snowflakes over the southern pole of the planet. Snow can make the world quieter or louder. After a fresh snow it seems like the world is perfect, quiet, pure. That is partially due to the fact that freshly fallen snow absorbs sound waves, making the world seem a bit more hushed. However, if snow melts and refreezes, that hard layer of ice can actually amplify sound and make it travel further and clearer. With tires for his mouth and trees for arms, Riese, the tallest snowman, was made in Donnersbach-Wald, Austria, measuring a whopping 38.04 meter. Riese means giant in English. Was completed on February 4, 2020. A Catalog of Snowflakes. Creator of the compound interest science blog, Andy Brunning, has painstakingly catalogued 35 different types of snowflake, plus a few other types of frozen precipitation. They are designated as column, plane, rhymed, germs, irregular, plus a number of combinations of all of them. The most snow to fall in a 24-hour period in the United States is 75.8 inches or 192. In 1921, over 6 feet of snow fell between April 14 at 2:30 p.m. and April 15 at 2:30 p.m. in Silver Lake, Colorado. Snowflakes falling at between 2 and 4 miles per hour can take up to 1 hour to reach the ground. Snowflakes can fall at a speed anywhere between a leisurely 1 to a breakneck 14 km per hour or 9 miles per hour, depending on the environmental conditions in the air as they drop. Snowflakes gathering water as they fall and wind direction can speed up the descent. It takes roughly an hour for a flake to leave its cloud and reach the ground. Snow has never been reported in Key West. The coldest temperature on record for the Florida city, reached on January 13, 1981 and January 12, 1886, is 41 degrees Fahrenheit or 5 degrees Celsius. In 1972 a blizzard dumped 8 meters of snowfall on Iran, burying 200 villages. The Iran blizzard of February 1972 was the deadliest blizzard in history. A week-long period of low temperatures and severe winter storms, lasting 3 to February 9, 1972, resulted in the deaths of approximately 4,000 people. Storms dumped more than 3 meters or 9.8 feet of snow across rural areas in northwestern, central and southern Iran. The wind and snow resulted in the breakage of trees and power lines. The snow buried rails, roads, and many villages, in addition to crushing vehicles beneath its weight. At the height of the storm, authorities estimated that a region including all of western Iran was beneath the snow for a week. The supply of food and medicine was exhausted and the temperature plummeted to -25 degrees Celsius, which rendered the survival of the snowstorm's victims uncertain. Furthermore, a flu epidemic began to hit rural areas at the start of winter, already claiming several lives. Nova Scotia, Canada, holds the record for the most snow angels ever made simultaneously in multiple locations. In 2011, 22,022 Nova Scotia residents in 130 separate locations all plopped down in the snow to make snow angels. Each winter in the USA, at least 1 septillion ice crystals fall from the sky. That's 24 zeros. The largest igloo ever built was 30 feet tall. In celebration of the 20th anniversary of ice hotel company Igloo Dorf, the organization commissioned the build of a massive igloo in Switzerland. Using about 1,400 blocks of snow, the structure stretched 10.5 meters high and 12.9 meters in diameter, earning it a Guinness World Record. There are hundreds of words for it. It's often stated that the Inuit have 50 words for snow, a fact that was discredited as pure speculation, and then confirmed as roughly accurate. No matter how many they actually have, it pales in comparison to the Scots. Researchers at the University of Glasgow claim that the Scots language has 421 terms related to the white stuff, including scalf, a large snowflake, spitters, small drops of driving snow, and unbrack, the beginning of a thaw. Colorado also holds the record for the most snow to fall in a single calendar day. On December 4, 1913, 63 inches or 160 centimeters of snow fell on Georgetown, Colorado. Feeling more devilish? The largest snowball fight on record took place in Seattle. Exactly 5,834 snow fighters came together to exchange frozen barrages to create the largest snowball fight in the world on January 12, 2013. The world's largest snowflake was recorded in the Guinness Book of Records, at 38 cm wide and 20 cm thick. The snowflake fell at Fort Kia, Montana, USA on January 28, 1887. North Dakota holds the record for most snow angels made simultaneously in one place. Back in 2007 it was 8,962 people in North Dakota who plopped down in the snow to waggle their arms and legs to make snow angels. The greatest snowfall recorded was on Mount Rainier, Washington State, USA, over 30 meters fell during the winter of 1972. Monkeys love it. Don't think for a second we are the only mammals to enjoy a good snowball fight. Japanese macaques, also known as snow monkeys, have been observed making and playing with balls of snow. Young macaques appear to enjoy stealing each other's snowballs, then battling to retrieve them.